In this video, we're showing you how to take a screenshot on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the mobile technology coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. Today we're going to walk you through how to take a screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Now the easiest way to do it is to hold down on the power button and volume down button at the same time for 1 second. That'll trigger a screenshot. Tap on this little crop button at the bottom, and this will allow you to then align exactly what area of the screen you want to crop. And then you have a pin option here where you can then highlight or draw on the screen depending on what you're trying to do. And then from here you can share the picture out with this button, or you can save it here with this button. That button will save it right to your gallery so you can pull it up really easy. Now the other way you can take a screenshot on this phone is called a palm screenshot, which is just taking your hand and just sliding it left to right like this. There we go. It'll take a screenshot, give you those same menu options, and that's it. Hope you guys found this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.